All right then. Now let's discuss about a very useful tool which is called Emmet. And you do not have to install anything to use this tool. Inside of VS Code, it is already installed and properly configured. Okay. So if I just go to the browser, I have opened emmet.io. So as you can see, it is saying like Emmet, the essential toolkit for web developers. Okay. And there is the video and so on and so forth. Okay. And if you just click on this download button, and as you can see, if you are using something like Sublime Text or Atom, then you have to download it. But if you just go here, as you can see, we have the third-party support and VS Code is now supported. Okay, so you do not have to worry about anything. So what it exactly does? In the last video, if you have seen that, so what I did not do something like this. I did not open up this less than sign, then P, and then do the greater than sign and so on. I did not do that. What I did, I just do something like P and hit enter. And as you can see inside of this auto completion inside of VS Code, it is saying Emmet abbreviation. And if you just do something like control and space once again, and it is now expanded here, and it is saying like, hey, it will be something like this. Okay, so it will be the paragraph HTML tags. We will learn about all of these tags in the upcoming videos, so don't worry about that. So if I just hit enter, and as you can see, our HTML is now auto completed. Okay, so now if we want to add a class name to a particular element, what I can do something like dot and do my class name. So my class. Okay, and hit enter. As you can see, it is now auto completed properly. Okay, once again, what we can do something like P times 10 and hit enter. As you can see, we have now 10 paragraph elements inside of our code. So in that regard, Emmet is very useful for us, right? So I just wanted to tell you about this particular very useful software, which is Emmet, right? So we can do a bunch of things by using the Emmet, and we will see many of the things in action throughout this course. Okay, all right, so this is the basic introduction to the Emmet, and you don't have to worry about many of the things right now. But if you want to learn a little bit more, then what you can do, you can just go here and do something like Emmet cheat sheet. Okay, hit enter. And as you can see, we have the cheat sheet, and just click on it. And okay, as you can see, if I just zoom in a little bit, as you can see, there are a bunch of things going on here, what you can do by using the Emmet. Okay, so you can just go ahead and just check it out. But in this course, we will be seeing many of the things which Emmet offers and how it makes our lives a much more easier. Okay, all right, so this is the Emmet software in a nutshell.